YouTube, a very entertaining and very popular platform that has been around for a lot of our lifetime and is something that I am sure every single one of you watching this video has used. Of course, how will you stumble upon this video without YouTube, right? Just kidding, guys. In today's video, I will show you a simple strategy that pays you for watching YouTube videos you love and enjoy. Yes, you heard that right. Just by watching any videos that you prefer, you will earn money. Amazing, right? The best part is that this is completely and absolutely free and available around the world, and you will earn around $400 and more straight through your PayPal account. But remember guys, that every part of this video is critical to you earning a lot of money with this strategy. So make sure to not skip any parts and follow along all the steps I am going to show you on how to successfully do this strategy. So if you are excited and ready to learn about this strategy, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hey everyone! Welcome to another video with, of course, Smart Money Girl. So for today's video guys, as I mentioned, your means of income is basically just watching YouTube videos. And the best part is, signing up on this website is 100% free. And they actually have an app that you can use, which basically means that you can even use it even with just your phone. Amazing, right? And you can easily view your earnings and they will pay you just through your PayPal account, as easy as that. Well, why did I even focus on this strategy? Well, I know that throughout this pandemic, we have spent our time more on staying inside our homes and less on the outside. And of course, with a lot of time at our expense, we then spend a lot of hours using YouTube and spending a lot of our leisure time just by watching different videos that we love. But in this strategy, I am going to show you how you can use that love you have for watching videos into real cash. So stick with me. So for this strategy, I will show you 3 platforms that are free and will help you get stable passive income just from watching YouTube videos. And these are not so well-known websites, which means less competition for you. And I am sure you will love every single one of this. So let's get to know what these websites are. So we are now here on our first website, wherein right here it says make money online on the phone, computer, or tablet. Get paid wherever you are without investment. And we can see that this is available on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Amazing! And bonus, this is available also on your desktop, so you can easily download this app depending on what type of device you have. So with our first website, you can see right here, it says, turn your time into profit. As we love to mention on this channel, we do not want your time and effort to be wasted in any strategy that I will show you. So with this strategy, that is its main purpose. All the time you spend on this platform will be easily rewarded with easy and passive income. But how does it exactly work? Well, right here it says you can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. So it is your own choice how you will earn a lot of money. But in this video, we will focus on watching videos. The name of this website is actually called zareclamy.com. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button
and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video.
Now the next step is to register to this website. So go on and scroll down a little bit and click on the register button right here, which will bring you to this page. So just make sure to fill up all the necessary and needed information around here. Take note, guys, that this is available worldwide, so this is perfect for anyone around the world. After creating a free account, you will be redirected to your personal dashboard, which will look exactly like this. This is now where you can monitor all your earnings and balance. You can even see how much money you made either today, yesterday, in the past 7 days, and even the past month. Amazing, right? On the left side of the page, you can see the one entitled Earn section right here. After you click on it, it will again redirect you to this page, wherein you can now select how you want to get paid. You can get paid to browse websites, watch videos, and watch ads. So this is a very amazing and low-key website that you can use to make a lot of money. You don't even have to spend a lot of hours doing some work, such as completing surveys or completing offers. So you can actually just click and you can manage how you use all your earnings that are continuing to maintain a balance. So we are going to be focusing on only browsing website and watching different videos. So click on the Earn button right here, which will redirect you to this page. The best part is, you can just let the video play on itself and do your other task, and it will still run automatically. So in this way, you will easily earn passive income as fast and easy as possible. So just go and look at all these videos and you can then watch them repeatedly. And every time, your earnings will immediately be reflected on your dashboard. And basically, the more videos you watch means the more money for you. Just remember, guys, that in order to maximize your results on this website, you can do a lot of things that they ask of you, like commenting on YouTube videos, liking videos on any social media platform, and any task that you do will get paid. And this is 100% free and very easy. For the second website, you will also do certain tasks that will pay us quite easily. What's great about this website is that they have daily bonuses for the top 100 earners, and they provide weekly payout. Amazing, right? And as soon as you register, you can already start right away, just like that. The name of this website is actually timebox.com. So to join in and earn, just enter all your necessary information around here and easily create your free account, just like that. Now go over to the Earn section over here and start doing the task around here and start earning easy passive income. Amazing! So the third website is similar to the ones I introduced to you, wherein you will also get paid doing a bunch of different tasks. One thing that we can do on this website is play games, which I know has been very common all throughout the pandemic. Gaming has been very popular. So with this website, you will get paid by doing something you're good at. This website is actually called quickrewards.net. The reason why this is a great website is because it has a very low minimum payout, which I know will shock a lot of people. The minimum payout on this website is 1 penny. Yes, you are not mistaken. Their only minimum payout is just 1 cent. Amazing! So all the money you earned can be transferred immediately to your PayPal, or you can choose for different prices to indulge your own self. So now, just find that button and just make sure to input correct information, as this will affect you. So you could just create here and immediately start watching videos, and immediately you can earn passive income. Amazing, right? And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your love and support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online.